See, look, and you put it on here. Stop it. Hey cuties! So today I'm going to be doing a huge online shopping haul. I literally went crazy. I bought so much stuff all online, Amazon, different websites, something that I may regret purchasing. Why did I purchase this? Why? I got a lot, so let's just get into it. Okay, so the very first thing is the outfit I'm wearing right now. It's the only item that I've opened so far. It's from Fashion Nova. So basically, I had a wedding, have a wedding to go to today. We went to the ceremony part, and I was like, I don't know what to wear. Like, literally, I need something classy. I feel like this is classy. I'm gonna show you guys a little try-on thing, but I love this. It's like this mesh material. It's kind of like, I don't know, like not tie-dye. I don't even know. It's very like 90s, I feel. I'm like, hi. But it's gorgeous, and I couldn't decide between this or this item here. So all my friends were like, this one is more you, bestie, like wear this one. And I felt like, you know what? Yeah, like this one's like more wedding vibe. And my birthday month is this month. Hi Taurus. So this was my second choice. So let me know if I made the right decision. Okay, so this orange one, it looks like this. Like, honestly, I low-key thought that it was like sparkly. That's why I bought it. But looking at the picture, I can see that it is like supposed to be like this. I just thought it was like sparkles. So I'm really glad, because this is more like beachy, I feel, which is like perfect for like a birthday supper or like a whatever, a night out. And it's not even Fashion Nova brand. It is, I don't even know what this says. Handwriting. So it ties in the back, but it has this like kind of like cheapy, I don't know. Also, none of this is sponsored. I bought everything with my own money. It just goes around here. This is the top, and then the bottoms are pants, and here are the pants, and on the side there they have like this to like intertwine with the top. I feel like I would have to get these hemmed because I am short, so that's why I went with this, because I could just like throw it on or whatever. But that is really cute. This was like $60 for this set. So was this, but it was they had some like 20% off of their entire site sale. So I think I got like this whole order for like 120, which is really, really good. I got this item. I got everything in a medium, by the way, if you guys care. I'm excited for this. This is gonna be like a summer slay. I just saw this and thought, yup, because I was buying stuff anyway on Fashion Nova. This is loud. Goodbye. Look at this. Not for a wedding, not for the wedding, but oh my god, look at this. I'm like, hello. I just watched the first Omen a few weeks ago and fell in love with it. So there's that, and then the top, like full serve. Look at this. It reminds me of like Madonna, Lady Gaga. So cute. I can't wait to wear this. I don't even know where I'm gonna wear this, but I love two-piece outfits, as you guys know. So hopefully when I'm showing you guys them on, they look cute on me. Okay, next up is not that exciting, but this is a very random haul. So TikTok gets me. Like in Canada, we don't have like the TikTok. Why is this not? What the hell? We don't have TikTok shop. People are like, I got this on TikTok shop. I'm like, what's that? Like, what is TikTok shop? People were like, I bought these on TikTok shop. So instead, I bought these on Amazon. So they're basically food storage bags. They're so soft. Ooh, they're so soft. And they're reusable, because I use a lot of like plastic bags. I'm not some like environmentalist girl, like bye, if that's what you are. Like, cool, I support you, cool. Hello. Hello. But I waste a lot of bags, and I marinate a lot of stuff. So I could like marinate chicken in this, or like store vegetables, fruits, and look at how many of these. There's different sizes. There's the large, and there's the medium, and we're always buying like sandwich bags and freezer bags, and these ones are just reusable. So they're so like soft, and they'll just like store right into our drawer, because one box of like storage bags are like this big, and I can just keep using these until they get old and ugly or whatever. If there's like one piece of chicken left over or whatever, I'll just like throw it into one of these instead of using and like dirtying a whole like Tupperware container. So that's why I bought these. They were quite cheap. I know it's like not fun, but these are cute. Okay, we have a few Amazon packages, so let's just grab one. Just cut it open. Like, I know what I got, I just don't know which ones are which, and they don't say. Peekaboo. What is this? Oh, phone case, girl, bye. I wanted some new phone cases. I'm just bored of the ones I have, honestly. Like, this one's cute. I just put this one on, but this is adorable. Look at this. It looks like liquid metal or something like that, like mercury or something. I don't know. I love it. It's just like bulby, and I don't know. I really liked it. On camera, it's giving. The light is reflecting off of it. It's giving. I think these ones are all phone cases. One of them, I accidentally ordered the wrong size, so there's 2 of them. So I have to return one of them, see if I can get a return or a refund or something, and if not, I'll just donate it or whatever. But I think they're the same. Yeah, okay, these are the same. So one of them, yeah, okay, because I accidentally ordered a Pro Max and mine's an iPhone 14 Pro, so this is the one that fits my phone. This is the one I have to return if I can. So it's the same one. And then we got this one. This is Honest or whatever. This does not look like what I ordered. Let's open it. Honest. Okay. Oh, never mind. There. I was like looking for this. Look at how beautiful. It's like iridescent. Hold on, let me take this off to get the full effect. Look. Oh my god, you can see it now. Like those flakes in there. Oh my god, it like glistens like rainbow. And then there's this that you can attach to like the side here, and it's just like so extra and cute. And I feel like that's gonna look so cute on my phone. I cannot wait for this. 2 cute new phone cases. Another Amazon package. So I want to bling out my car. This one's already open because Austin thought it was his when it came to the door, and it's basically this. There's just like a bunch of stuff wrapped in here, but I'm gonna do a vlog blinging out and making my car all pink and fuzzy and cute. I don't want to open this right now, but you guys will just have, no, I do. It's a haul. What am I doing? I'm like, so there are these that go on your seatbelt like this. I'm gonna look so extra. So they go on both of the seatbelts to like make it fuzzy and cute. And then there are these little clips to put in your air freshener. I'm gonna link these in my Amazon storefront. And then there's this for my keychain to make it like all work together. And then there's this. This is for like, I think the gear shift or the pull thing, the brake. What is it called? The brake. Not the gear. I don't have a gear shift. I don't drive standard, but you know what I mean? Like, it's like the parking brake. I think it's called the parking brake. Anyways, there's a lot in here. I think this was like $15 or something. I don't know. There's this and this. I don't know what this is. Oh, these are things you put in your cup holders so that if you're eating, which I don't eat in my car rarely. I do eat in my car very seldomly, but like if you put like a drink in there, if it spills, you can take these out and clean them so it doesn't get on your actual car cup holders. Cuckold is it? Did I just say that? And it just makes it blingy and cute. This is for your push to start. I'm probably not going to use this because I've heard horror stories of like people putting that on there and it like messing with the configuration of the car and it like not, your like thing not working. So girl, I'm not messing with that. So I don't think I'm gonna put that on there, but I'll talk to Austin because like he's a mechanic and shit, so he knows. What else is in here? Like, why is there so much stuff? What is this for? We'll have to figure it out, but like they're all for cars. Shit, what is this? Oh, this is what I was wanting. So this is what made the whole thing happen. Like, this is my steering wheel cover. I want a pink fuzzy steering wheel because I vlog in my car too. So it's basically like my car's gonna be pink and fuzzy and bling. And if you guys know, I got a new car, so I can't wait to just pink it out and bling it out. Ah! Don't remember what this is. I will as soon as I open it, but... Oh, yeah! I have been on a hunt for a new gym bag. You guys know that if you follow my vlog channel. I went to a bunch of Winners. I went online. I just didn't see any I liked. And then I came across a kid's like ballet dance bag, like a dance recital bag, and oh my god, perfect size, perfect color, because all of them were like adult ones, and I want like a girly pink Samantha-fied one. So I don't know how big this is gonna be. Like, I obviously like saw the measurements and stuff like that, but like right now I use a mini backpack. I literally just need it to fit my shoes, sometimes my workout clothes if I'm going tanning after, and then just like a little bag for like my lock, deodorant, spray, sanitizer, my keys, a water bottle. So it sounds like a lot, but it actually isn't. So I'm actually, this is perfect. This is perfect. This is so perfect. Oh my god, it looks like a little dog bag. This is so perfect. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Literally everything is gonna fit in here. So great. Yes. I didn't want some like oversized gym bag. This is so good for me. I feel like a little poodle should be in here. This was under $20. Like, hello. And it's bubblegum pink. And when you open it, yes. So yeah, my gym shoes will fit in there, water bottle, everything. And then there's spots at the side here for like my deodorant and stuff like that. And on this side as well. Perfect. Exactly what I need. I don't want something big and oversized. Yes, I think that's the most practical purchase that is in this. Next up, girl, I'm so excited for this. This came just like this. I was like, how didn't it come in like a package or anything like that? So Oh my god, they're all just like in there. Okay, so basically I have my Stanley cup and I use this every day. This is what I drink water out of every single day. Like I fill up this multiple times a day. I didn't just get it for like the aesthetic of it. If you do, girl, do you. Like who cares what people think of you? But I got it because I drink a lot of water. It keeps it cold. There's so much of it. I have a 30-ounce one, but I heard from a little birdie, you guys, that there were like Stanley cup lids. Stop. So I had to go. Look at this. It's like a mini Stanley cup with a flower on it. This is not the one that I want to put on right now, but do you see this? I was like, hello. So I got this mega pack. I think it was like $10, not mega, but oh my god, this one. This one's a little sunflower. Hi. Like, look at these. Oh my god, I got so many. Like there are so many in here. Okay, there's a little white Stanley cup one, then there's a little pot, and then this is the one I think I'm gonna do. This is the one. This is calling to me here. So you just slide it over top here. Oh my god, just have it open like this, or if you're gonna close it, because I saw a TikTok of someone that had a spider or a bug like crawl in here, and it's about to be summertime and I'm not having that. So to have it be cute and then just like pop it. Come on, girl. Pop it open and hydrate. Say hydrate. Hi. Me. Amazing. Okay, let's do the thing that I was like, why did I buy this? So, if you know, you know. Nara Smith. I am obsessed with her videos. How does this open? Like here. So this came all the way from, I think, Germany. I bought this from this designer, Gustav Westman. So she has this adorable cloud bowl. And I was like, what, where is that? I'm buying it. And then I found like a dupe. Somebody had this dupe. It was like a cat bowl. And I was like, hey, well, I'll buy the cat bowl. The cat bowl dupe on Amazon was like $60. So I was like, a cat bowl for $60? I'm not doing it. So the bowl that she uses, this is such a stupid purchase, you guys, but maybe not, you know, it makes me happy and whatever. And it's from a designer, but hi designer. I'm so happy right now, I can't. So basically it's like this bubble bowl, but it's like $80 or something like that. And I couldn't justify it. So, and like with taxes and shipping, it would have been like $100 for a bowl. I was like, no, I'm not doing it. And who gets just one bowl? Like, girl, no. But I found the mini version and it had a mug with it. So it was like the mini bowl with the mini cup, and I was like, and it was like $50. With tax, I think it was like $60 altogether or something like that, but girl, needed it, bye. So that's what I did. So it's Gustav Westman, and I don't know how many it's about to be, but we're gonna find out, but this is what we're looking at. It's packed in there. This is gonna make a mess, girl. Okay, she's got layers. Girl, stop. Girl, I should have got the original one. Okay. Okay. It's still cute. Okay, let me get all this fluff away. This is the, okay, it's cute. Never mind. You know what? Small isn't always a bad thing. I love the color. I wanted pink, obviously. I know she has like white one, but it's so cute. So I could do like espresso in here. I wasn't even caring about the cup, honestly, but the mini one came with the cup, and I could do like, I don't even know what I'm gonna eat in here. Like a scoop of yogurt. It's more for the aesthetic of it. It's cute. It is very, very, very cute. A little snack, some I'm just gonna have my espresso in this and be like, I'm Nara Smith with no money. Like, I'm still happy about it, okay? This is the most impractical purchase that I made in this haul, but it is still adorable. It's like the salmon kind of color. We dig it. I like it. It's cute. Okay, girl. Practical? No, she's not. And the very last thing is something else that it says, literally, it's like, warning, there's explosives in here or some shit. And it's like, it feels like there's no padding or anything in it. What is in here? This is the last thing. Oh my god. Oh my god, yes. Okay, no, I remember this. It's fine. You can throw this around. Okay, so I have been wanting some AirPods. I know these aren't real like AirPods, they're more like earbuds or whatever. And I go on walks a lot, and if I'm not with Austin, if I'm just with like Cooper or myself, I just like to put on some AirPods or earbuds, whatever, and I don't have any. Austin does, and he has these ones. They're from Amazon. They're just like a cheap version. They're like $20 or $30 or whatever. I use his all the time, and he was like, you know what, why don't I just buy you some of your own? So he actually bought these for me. They are in this gorgeous pink bubblegum pink shade. I really hope that it looks like this. Any pink would be cute for me. Like everything's pink in this haul video right now, but like let me see. I'm so excited to have these for my own. Like I love this. Let's open them. Let's see, bestie. They're by Yobola, and it just says thanks. You're welcome. And then opening them up, it does not look pink. Oh, okay, it does. Just this doesn't look pink, but oh my god, stop it. Oh my god, they're so beautiful. This like soft baby pink color. Oh my god, girl. They're exactly the ones that he has. There's the little like charging cable here, which is white, which is cute. He was like, can I please open these? Whenever like he buys something for me, he's like, can I open it? And I'm like, I have to do a haul. It's like this. I love this. They're so cute, and they'll just like, fit right in my ears there. Adorable. Love the color. Love these. And I used to be scared to like connect anything to Bluetooth. I don't know. I'm weird like that, but I'm so happy with this. Amazon, you can find like anything on Amazon, honestly. So the only thing that I'm gonna try to return or exchange or something like that is this, because literally my fault, my bad. I accidentally did that, but everything else I'm so happy with. I know you guys like seeing hauls regardless. Cute. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching this. I hope you guys have a great day. And if you bought something recently that you like, if you guys want to share it with me, let me know. And I love you guys. Have a great day. Bye. Mwah. Bye guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah.